Eddie Guerrero was a legendary Mexican-American professional wrestler whose charisma, technical skills, and dynamic persona made him an unforgettable figure in wrestling history. Born on October 9, 1967, in El Paso, Texas, Eddie grew up in a family deeply rooted in wrestling, with his father, Eddie Guerrero, being a well-known wrestler himself. Starting his career in the shadow of his family's legacy, Eddie soon carved his own path, becoming a beloved star and earning widespread respect in the wrestling world. Eddie's wrestling style was marked not only by his high-flying moves but also by his unique Latino Heat persona, which popularized the phrase, "lie, cheat, steal." He embraced this character with humor and wit, captivating audiences worldwide. His journey in WWE, World Wrestling Entertainment, was filled with ups and downs, but his determination was unwavering. Known for his iconic frog splash finishing move and his involvement in thrilling triple threat matches, Eddie was a fan favorite and a true showman. Throughout his career, Eddie faced personal struggles, including battles with addiction and other personal issues. Despite these challenges, he achieved the pinnacle of success by winning the WWE Championship, a testament to his resilience and dedication to his craft. His triumph inspired fans around the globe, proving that hard work and perseverance could overcome even the toughest obstacles. Eddie's sudden passing on November 13, 2005, shocked the wrestling world, leaving a void that has yet to be filled. WWE honored him by inducting him into the Hall of Fame, solidifying his legacy as one of wrestling's greatest stars. Eddie Guerrero remains a cherished icon whose spirit and legacy live on in the hearts of his fans, forever remembered as a legend who left an indelible mark on the world of professional wrestling. Eddie Guerrero's legacy is also defined by the impact he had on future generations of wrestlers. Known for his authenticity and dedication, he inspired countless wrestlers who followed in his footsteps. His story demonstrated that wrestlers could be both skilled athletes and complex characters, combining technical mastery with storytelling. Eddie's journey paved the way for many Latino wrestlers to break into mainstream wrestling, and his influence is still seen in WWE today through the tributes paid by wrestlers and fans alike. His resilience, humility, and boundless energy continue to make him a symbol of passion and perseverance, reminding fans and aspiring wrestlers that true greatness comes from embracing both victories and setbacks. Eddie's legacy is a lasting tribute to his life, his heritage, and his love for wrestling.